I've already did step one, which was to spray paint my dresser gray, and then I don't know if you can really see it, but if you can see in the middle, that was the original color of the dresser, which was like a mint green type of thing. So these two drawers on the bottom have a slight curve on them, so I'm not going to be able to add mirrors to those. I'm going to put glitter paint on those, and so I'm gonna go ahead and start applying the mirrors to the top drawers, and then for the rest of the part that I didn't get the gray paint on, I'll just add the glitter paint to that too. Here I'm just basically going to put the glue on the back of the mirrors, flip them over, and I'm going to lay books on top of each mirror to add a little bit of pressure, and I'm going to leave it overnight. I'll leave the information below for the I'll leave all the information below for the adhesive that I used on the back of the glue, the E6000 that I used for the knobs. I'll leave the link to where I purchased the knobs from Amazon, and I'll also put the information for the glitter paint that I used. I'll link all of that information below. Okay, here, I think at this point, this may have been the second coat of the glitter paint. When you use the glitter paint, you just have to make sure that you put even amounts of coats and don't try to pack the glitter on as if you would do with glitter fingernail polish. And so right here, this looks like the top piece. Lowe's didn't have a piece that was big enough to fit the whole entire top of the dresser, so I just pretty much took what they had and used and stuck it in the middle, and I left the ends, I just left the ends gray.
What is that?
I'm just trying to get a figure on where to place the knobs. I just kind of like eyeballed it with the measure tape to get a feel, and then I used the E6000 glue that I already had at home, and then I purchased these knobs from Amazon. The knobs were really, really beautiful. I was really pleased with the knobs. Be careful with the amount of glue that you apply on the knobs, because once you press it down on the mirrors, it'll start to come seep out on the end, so you'll have to go back and kind of clean that excess glue off of your mirror. So here you can kind of like just see me cleaning the mirrors off. The knobs are on. I believe the knobs have been on overnight, so they're pretty secure. And here is the final look. I've put some of my things back on the dresser. I'm still kind of like organize it, but this is the overall look of it. I think it came out pretty good for my first big DIY project.